Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 107. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 2 here and a 7 here, so this is our 5, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3, 3 here, so 2, 6, and no help here, 2, 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 6. 6 here, so 2, 3. And no help here, 2, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 5. 9 here, so 2, 5. That means the only place the 9 can be in that row is here. For this top row, we're missing 2, 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so 2, 3. 3 here, so 2, 7, 8. 3 and 7 here, so 2, 8. 3, 7, and 8 here. So this is our 2. That makes this our 8, 7, 3. That 2 makes this our 5, 2. We can get rid of this 2 and this 2. And with that 3, we can get rid of this 3. And that 2 means we can get rid of this 2. All right. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box, we're missing a 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 3, 6. That 6 makes this our 3, 2, 6. That 2 makes this our 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column now, we're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. I don't see any help. So 1, 7. And for this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here. That makes this our 7. That 7 makes this our 1, so this would be our 5. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. And that 7 makes this our 2, 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.